everybody, and welcome to another edition of Where the Heck Are the Albans, and Where the Heck Are the Albans? Well, we're at home right now, and we are continuing our Advent calendars. My throat is a little scratchy, so take it away, Dad.
On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me Italian Cookies Christmas Collection. Okay, so this is the, is it Antico? Or no, yeah.
Antico
Mulino, made in Italy, Advent Calendar Italian Cookies Christmas Collection. So, yeah, Emerson's voice is a little cracky and stuff like that, but we're going to open this up, and we're having a little issue opening it. You want me to get a knife?
Tape. Yes, please.
All right, hold on. Okay, so look at this. So the Italian Cookies Christmas Collection. Every day a sweet surprise for you, waiting for Christmas time. 24 days, 24 cells, 24 relaxing moments for tasting our Italian sweet Christmas specialties. As a snowflake, white and chocolate canestrello cookies will melt in your mouth in a crumbly embrace. Soft nougat full of almonds will surprise your senses with an explosive of crunchy and soft sweetness. Almond and chocolate biscotti, which literally means twice baked cookies straight from the Italian classics, will delight your special moments of the day.
Sounds like I need to get a cup of coffee.
I know, right? But look at this. It's actually a really pretty calendar inside. So what we're going to do, we're going to open them up. We're going to go ahead and unbox them all, and then we'll just like put them in a little cookie jar.
Okay.
All right. So number one.
Oh, they're all wrapped.
That it looks like a biscotti to me.
It looks, yes, it does. It looks like a chocolate, and it does not say.
It does not say what it is, but it's like a chocolate biscotti. Okay, awesome.
Number two.
Number two.
This is
One of those nougats.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, number three.
Ooh. I pushed it back in.
The biscotti.
Yummy.
Okay, number four.
It's nice that they're individually wrapped.
Yes.
And I think this is an almond biscotti.
Okay.
So the past two were chocolate biscotti.
All right, number five. Where did we get this one, Becky?
Cost Plus World Market. Oh, I'm sorry. They're not Cost Plus anymore. World Market.
World Market. Okay.
That looks good.
Looking for the jams and jelly ones, which we could not find.
What was that? Number six? Now we're on number six. Okay.
These all look very tasty so far.
They do
They
look
do.
tasty. All right. Number seven. Right up on top.
Another
Okay,
almond.
biscotti. Awesome. All right, number eight. Okay, number nine. Getting a lot of biscottis, but
That's good. I like biscotti.
that's good because, yeah, I was going to say we really like those. I like these over here. These
It's like,
are really good.
kind of remind me of Salerno butter cookie. Kind of. What was the name of that biscotti type cookie that
12.
they used to advertise? I think they were made by Salerno. They were,
I don't remember.
Biscotti.
If I think of it, I'll pop it on the
there's
screen.
only a device.
What we're on 13 now.
These are the ones I'm excited
Look
about.
at that. Yeah.
I might have to just like put this one on.
You might just have to take that one to the side. Okay. 14.
This one too.
Oh, glad for that.
That looks
Okay.
really good. That one's coming good.
Number 15, right below. Oh, chocolate one of those. Ooh.
That looks
All
really
right,
good.
16.
Ooh, one of those nougat ones.
Yeah. Number 17. Where is 17? There it is. 18 up here on top. Scotty. Number 19. Number 20.
Ow.
Did that one hurt? Scotty, okay. 21. Ooh, one of the good ones that you like.
Yep.
22.
Stelladora.
Oops, what? 22. Ooh, Stelladora. There you go.
Yeah, those are the name of them.
Okay. And 23.
Nougat.
Okay. And last but not least.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes. End on a high note right there. All right. Let me just get a group shot of all of this together and look. Like I said, very beautiful calendar. I like the calendar a lot. All right. And that was the Italian Cookie Christmas collection. And here's what we got. Look at Cocoa. How do you pronounce that?
Canestrelli.
Canestrelli. Cocoa Canestrelli cookies. Canestrella cookies. Chocolate biscotti. Almond biscotti. Hi, Audrey. Always got to get in the shot. Cocoa and chocolate drops cookies. Limoncello flavored cookies. That's this kind right here. The coffee flavored cookies and the soft nougat with almonds. So there's 8 different types of cookies. Let's see how many we got of each. So here's what we got of each one. The Cocoa Castrelli cookies, we got 1. The Castrelli cookies, we got 2. The chocolate biscotti, we got 2, 4, 6 of those. Almond biscotti, 2, 4, 6 of those. We've got 2 of the cocoa and chocolate drop cookies. 2 of the limoncello flavored cookies. 2 of the coffee flavored cookies, and 3 of the soft nougat with almonds. So I really don't see any kind of complaints.
Maybe
we could have had 1 more of those and 1 less of one of these. But yeah, we do love biscotti. So, and I'm very interested in the limoncello ones. And look at Emerson's already stealing a cocoa and cookie drop one, and which other one?
A cocoa and chocolate drop.
Oh, chocolate drop cookie, and you wanted one of those as well, didn't you? All right. And I think Becky's interested in the coffee flavored one as well. All right.
I'm scared of these.
So this
Why?
is an awesome one. I like this. All right. What do you think?
It's good.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
It looks good. I mean, you want a bite of that? Yeah.
It's good.
I give that a thumbs up. All right. So,
If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe down below. Give us a big thumbs up. And we'll see you next time on Where the Heck Are the Albans?
woohoo! Bye, everyone.